This is the most cost-effective and least invasive way to complete pipe repairs. RIDGID just announced their new pipe patching system that can complete pipe repairs without having to tear up yards or concrete to access the pipe. This process is going to save you a ton of time and make you tons of money because it's not that invasive to the pipe and the area around it, and is overall really simple to operate so you can be in and out within a day. RIDGID made a few different kit options within this system to adapt to each project. The starter kits come with an inflatable packer, air push rods, and necessary components that accommodate P-traps, bends, transitions, and straight sections. Basically, all the reusable elements will come included in the starter kit. Then from there, you can choose between the different patch kits depending on the size of the pipe you're repairing. The patch kits come with resin, gloves, bands, surface covers, and all the materials you need to complete a pipe repair project. Keep in mind, these are going to be single-use kits for completing one repair job. So there's going to be an initial upfront cost when you buy the starter kit, but like I said, you can keep reusing the kit with each repair. So it's going to pay for itself in just a couple uses. We had the team from RIDGID come out to our shop and do a demo of the whole process, so we're going to go over basics of how this system works and see it in action. Alright, so the first step is to prep the inflatable packer that will be used to push through the pipe. Each patch kit comes with two sleeves that go over the packer to prevent it from sticking to the resin. Once the sleeve is on, you can secure it with rubber bands to make sure it doesn't slip off. Next, you attach the air push rods to the base of the packer. These are used to push or pull the packer down the pipe so you can position it over the section that needs repaired. Once you have the sleeve fully coated in resin, you can slide it over the packer and secure it with even more rubber bands. As the packer inflates with air, the resin is able to stick to the walls of the pipe and fill in any gaps it encounters. Once the resin hardens, the packer can easily slide out of the tube and be reused for your next project. This resin paired with the fiberglass sleeve is super durable and won't crack or break once it's hardened onto the pipe. The resin should be fully hardened after about an hour and a half, and from there you can deflate the packer to release it from the resin and pull it out of the pipe. When you remove the packer, the pipe should be fully repaired and ready to use. No digging or additional machinery needed. And that's it. Head over to ohiopowertool.com to order a kit or two and go make that money before anyone else catches on. If you have any other questions, leave us a comment or give us a call or send us an email or write us a letter. Whatever you prefer, just get a hold of us and we'll help you out. If you're looking for even more content from us, subscribe to our channel or check out one of these videos here. Thank you for watching. Now get back to work.